Hi everybody, welcome to week number 3. I want to make sure that you guys understand what we're doing this week, and so I want to go to week number 3 here and your schedule, which talks about giving and receiving feedback, and it's the overview. So take a look at that. What you're going to be doing is commenting on your peers' photo reflection projects this week. And making specific comments according to that feedback form, which is in your assignment and in the module for week number 3. So make sure you look at that and click on that link. But you need to give not just feedback that says, oh, great job, but some specific things that they can do to improve it. Because this week I'm not going to be commenting on it, you are. And so you are going to be the teacher helping your peers to understand what they're doing. So as we go down to the schedule here, you can see that you should have uploaded already last week, and I guess Sunday night, the photo reflection project. You have readings, and you need to comment on your personal profiles on the peers pages on their u.osu.edu sites, which I'll talk about in a minute. But here in the middle, you can see you downloaded the peers photo reflection and you gave feedback. You should be automatically assigned a peer once you submit yours, and there will be a link on the Carmen page as to which peer is matched up with you, and so you should download their document and comment on it there. Hopefully you will comment not just general comments, but give specific comments like I have done in the document itself. So and that is due actually Wednesday through Friday night. You should have that done. Then after you read that, on Friday through Sunday, you should revise, submit, and post your final photo reflection on u.osu.edu, which is right here. And remember, u.osu, your website, is the final resting place for all your assignments, so it's very important for you to get that done there. Then you're going to be writing and submitting feedback on the same days. Was the peers' advice and were the suggestions helpful or good? And make sure you write that according to the guidelines and submit that to the separate assignment page. Discussion board posts, as usual, post by Friday night and then respond to your peers by Sunday night. Now, one thing I want to go back to comment on over here is you're commenting on your peers' personal profile on their websites. Okay, so I've also included here in the discussion board, you can see now that there is a separate thing here called comments on 3 u.osu.edu personal profiles. So make sure that you copy, if you click on this, you can see my example as well. But I said you're required to do 3 personal profiles on their u.osu pages, but I also want you to put the names of the 3 peers here in this discussion board, along with copies of your comments that you put on their pages. So here I have an example, classmate's name and then the comment, and I have 3 people here, Brad Pitt, Gary Whitby, and Johnny Depp. Okay, and over right next to their name, here's my comments. Okay, this is what I said on their web pages. All 3. This will help me to see who you commented on and where to go to look for those. Okay, so I want you to put it here too, because this is important for your grade. Other than that, you guys have questions. I'm going to be sending you a video also to help some of you to know how to put pictures on your website. Some of you seem to be confused. That is in the video, which is the Getting Started at u.osu.edu, but I will email a separate video that shows you very easily how to put pictures onto your websites. Okay? Make sure you watch that. All right, have a great week.